We are all surrounded with electronic appliances, both at home and work. And owning these appliances requires regular service and repair. As consumers, we often get irritated with unplanned expenses on repair and breakdown. Our first action, we call the company helpline number, but the response is frustrating, and even worse, when we discover warranty has expired or doesn't cover all parts. Eventually, we call a local service agency who sends their technician, replaces defective parts, and completes the job. But there's no assurance of no recurring problems. Old appliances undergo wear and tear and may require repair, making us anxious about things going wrong with other expensive appliances. Here comes Yapna, a post-purchase companion to manage your appliances throughout their life cycle. No matter the brand, consumers are absolutely free from anxiety of unplanned expenses on repair and breakdown. In case of total replacement due to spares being out of stock or a discontinued model, YapnaaCare provides a comparative model. Yapna works with ecosystem partners to deliver complete solutions 24/7. Yapna provides free of cost on-premise checkup of your appliances once a year and manages pickup and drop-off to customer care locations when needed. Consumers get guaranteed care through listed services for their appliances by subscribing to YapnaaCare. The entire process is digital, and users can log into their account to see all service tickets, status, and history, upload important invoices, service bills, and documents on their DigiLocker account. Appliance warranty has many fine prints, and Yapna takes care of its subscribers in every situation with complete transparency. No matter a new appliance or an old one, YapnaaCare has it covered. Visit www.yapnaacare.com to know your suitable plan.